Come on, let's go. Come on, we're gonna go poop. Jumping like a kangaroo. Don't get lost in the snow, Lucy. Don't get lost in the snow. Come on, let's go. Come on. Where's the Lucy? Lucy's buried in the snow. Where's the Lucy girl? Come on. This is my backyard, and it's really snowy. It snows up to my knees at least. Lucy. Lucy in the snow. She's crazy. Ay vey. Snow, snow, snow. Goose! What are you guys doing? Oh, still snowing like crazy. Trying to get the kids to do their business. I got a shovel. What are you after? Luce. Way down there in the snow. What are you after? Boo Boo, what's the matter? Brady. What's up? I want spring. I want spring. Doesn't look like spring. See how the trees all have the snow one direction? When it's like this, you can always tell it's out of the northeast. Therefore, we are having a northeaster. What's going on? No, come on, let's go. Come on. What's the matter? Snow getting in your face? Lucy thinks she's a kangaroo. Luce! What are you doing? Goosey, come! Come on, Goose! I think she's trying to find a place to poop. Then the snow's too deep. Come on, let's go get puppy cookies. Come on. Lucy, leave him alone. Come on. Brady, come. Come on. Oh, you're peeing. That's what you're doing. Lucy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go get cookies. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppy snacks. Time for puppy snacks. Come on. Anybody gonna come for puppy snacks? Guess not. Must be more business to be had. Down tree from the last storm. Looks like about 15 inches to me.
Wake up, kid, it's 1:30. You ain't nothing really changing but the date. You a grand slammer, but you know Babe Ruth. You gotta learn how to relate. I've been swinging from the pearly gate.